Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create new folder on SD card in mobile. So here, in order to do that, maybe you want to create a new folder, separate your important file into one folder on your external storage or SD card. It's very easy. So you have to open your file manager on your phone. For example, I'm using two file manager from a Google. For example, this is the Google Files. Here, in order to create new folder, you can try to go to the internal storage or external storage. Right now I only have internal, but it will be the same way. So here there is a plus icon. Just tap on this plus icon. So here we go. You can create new folder on your SD card. Just enter new folder name and just simply create your new folder and put your important file there. And also, if you use another other app, for example, a Z archiver. So here you can try to go to your external storage here. This is the internal. So here you can simply tap on plus icon again, and here there is a folder icon. Tap it, and here we go. You can create new folder and input new folder name here, and after that new folder is on. Now all you have to do is just put your important files into this new folder. So however, on my Oppo phone, this file manager cannot like create a new folder here. So that's why I'm use a new app like Google Files and Z Archiver. So I recommend you to reconsider to install these third-party app like File Manager that you can find for free on the Play Store. So here, for example, let's try to search File Manager. And here we go. There are a ton of File Manager that you can download on this Play Store. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and subscribe to this button below. See you in the next video.